What's up guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Khadija and on this channel we focus on hair, beauty, and lifestyle. If you're interested, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join our community. In today's video, we are featuring Hurela here, and today we're featuring their 26-inch 13x4 Jerry Curls wig, and this is their packaging. This is it. I'm just going to show you guys what I received in my package. So we received a goodie bag with wig cap, eyelashes, and a lot of goodies. And this is a wig for today. This unit is a 13x4 26-inch Jerry curl wig, and I washed it and it is still so pretty. This is the vibes. Like, this is it. It is so thick, so fluffy, and it is just so soft. This is the vibe. It came pre-plucked with the baby here, ready to wear. This is it. It is a 26-inch unit, and this is the vibes that we're getting. I really do love it already. It is so soft. This is it. If you want to get this wig, the link will be in my description. Go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. If you want to get any other products from Hurela here, their website is in my description, so go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. This is our wig for today. It is their 26-inch 13x4 Jerry Curls wig, and this is the vibes. This is it. This is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and install my wig. Okay guys, so we have our wig cap on. Now I'm just gonna go ahead, put some foundation on my lace, but this is what our lace is looking like without foundation. I'm just gonna go ahead and put some foundation on my lace. All right guys, so I just put the foundation on my lace, and this is it. This is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and put my wig on. Okay guys, so this is what our wig is looking like after I put it on. This is the vibes. This is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig, but again, this wig is from Hurela here. This is their 26-inch 13x4 Jerry Curls wig, and this is the vibes. It is super fluffy, and this is it. This is what it's looking like. I'm just gonna go ahead and install my wig. Today I'll be using my Got To Be Glue freezing spray to install my wig. Okay guys, so I just finished cutting the excess lace off, and this is the vibes. This is it. I'm just gonna go ahead, tie this down, let it dry, and then we finish up our wig. If you want to get this unit, the link will be in my description, so go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. Again, this wig is from Hurela Hair. This is your 26-inch 13x4 Jerry curls wig, and this is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig. Alright guys, so this is what our wig is looking like when we combed out the curls. This is it. It is super fluffy, and it is so soft. Like, I can't even, like, look at this. It is so soft and it is so fluffy. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig, but this is it, y'all. Like, look at this. Just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig. Carrot Care Silk and Seal, just to give it a little bit of shine. You cannot get enough shine and moisture on your curls, okay? So yeah. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. This is it. I really love the overall quality of this hair, and I love how the curls are curling right now. It is so soft. The texture of it is just so soft, and the curls are just perfect. This is it. Even though it's in its wet state right now, it is still fluffy, still has body. This is it. It is laid. This is it. Once again, today we're featuring Hurela here, and this is their 26-inch 13x4 Jerry Curls wig, and this is the finished look. This is it. If you want to get this wig, the link will be in my description, so go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. If you want to get any other products from Hurela here, their website is also in my description, so go ahead and make your purchase. This is the finished look, and I love it. This is the vibes. This is the end of today's video. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, leave your comments down below, and most importantly, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, I'll see you guys in another video.